back to my channel. So today's video is a haul video. It's a purple haul video, and in this video I will be showing you what all the products that I got from Purple, and every product is very affordable. All of the products that I got, like it has things pertaining to hair care, it has nail polishes, it has for products for skincare, and everything like each of the individual products are within 150 rupees. So yeah, if you can classify it as a very affordable purple haul video. And I keep getting a lot of DMs regarding making very affordable videos which can be useful for school kids or even the college people who has not yet started earning and are dependent on someone or the other, and for them this video is going to be really helpful. So please stay tuned to my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent upload. So starting with the hair care first, I got a shampoo. So I got a shampoo which actually was, because I was facing a lot of hair fall and wanted to give this shampoo a try. So this is a shampoo from Biotic, and this is a Biotic BioKelp shampoo, which is actually meant for the intensive, I don't know whether you are able to see it. It is actually a protein shampoo for falling hair and intensive hair treatment for the hair growth. So I have heard really a lot of good reviews about this shampoo, and that is why I wanted to give this a try. So you can see it is sealed. So I'll also give you the review of all of the products which is there in my haul video today after I have actually tried using them. So this was a product. This is Biotic is really a brand which I completely rely upon because they make extremely affordable products, and all of the products which I personally have used have suited my skin or my hair like really well. So that is why I thought of giving this one a try. And this shampoo is priced at rupees 159 is the MRP which is written, but I got it around 145 or 143, something like that. I'll give you the link of the shampoo in the description box below. So this is the first product that I got, and the quantity of the shampoo is 190 ml. So it's very good deal. You see the bottle of the shampoo is big enough. So that's 190 ml cost you like 140, around below 150 rupees. So that's a really great deal. So let me see whether the shampoo actually helps in arresting my hair fall or not, and I'll definitely let you know. So this is my first product from the Purple haul today. The second product is an aloe vera gel. So I wanted to try this brand Alps Goodness, which I have only tried their Multani Mitti powder, which was pretty much good, and that is why I thought of giving a try of some other product from this brand. And this is the aloe vera gel. I love using aloe vera gel. I use it for my hair, for skin, like in a multiple number of ways, which maybe I'll make an exclusive video for that. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want to know the ways that I actually use aloe vera gel. So this is the aloe vera gel and the second product from my haul video today, and this product is 29 grams and it is priced at in the MRP is written as 99 rupees, but I got it something around 74-75 rupees. So it's pretty much a good deal, it seems to be, because I don't know about the fragrance, but it is a transparent aloe vera gel, which I definitely do look for, because I do not prefer aloe vera gels which has an added color into it. So this is a transparent aloe vera gel, and I do believe that it is a multi-purpose aloe vera gel, meaning that it can be used for hair as well as skin. So I'll also use this one, because all of the products which I have got from Purple are new for me as well, but I just wanted to check out for the affordable products so that it can be useful for a lot of people out there, and that is why I got from this brand. This brand also has a lot of other products which are very affordable and are good also, but of course like every brand has their good products and bad products. So yeah, I have used their shampoo also, I believe. I did not personally own the shampoo, but I had borrowed from someone and used it for once, and that was some Amla shampoo which did not really suit my hair. So let me try this aloe vera gel and we'll let you know how this one is. So this was my second product from the purple haul. The third product was a skincare product again, and this is a red clay powder. So I love using multani mitti and clay based masks for my skin because I don't have a very oily skin, but for the combination of the normal to combination skin which I have tends to be a little oily in this humid, that is the monsoon season which is going right now. And I have heard like really like a lot about how red clay helps in soothing the skin or absorbing the excessive oil which the skin is producing during the monsoons and things like that. So I wanted to give a red clay also a try. I haven't tried any product from this brand Good Vibes. So this was from the brand Good Vibes, and this is my first try of any product from this particular brand. And for this product, it is priced, MRP is given as 115 rupees, but I'm sure I got it around something below 100 rupees. I'll give you the link of it again in the description box below. You can check it out. And the quantity of it is 40 gram. I actually, when I was purchasing it, the packaging, like the photo which was shown, I thought it's like a lot of amount will be coming, and that is why I was very much carried away by the price. Oh my god, like it was so cheap for the quantity it is providing, but it is actually 40 gram. But even given the fact that it is 40 gram, for the masks you just need if you are applying a mask on your face, you just need a tiny bit of it. So I think it's gonna last also a long. And also I'll give you the link of it in the description box below, and also will later on come up with the review of this, all of the products that I have been I have purchased from this particular haul. And the last products of my list is 4 nail paints which I got. So I got these 4 nail paints. So these has okay, so you can see already that I have already applied the purple nail paint, and the products came to me yesterday, and I had applied the nail paint yesterday itself. And these are all the 4 nail paints. For 2 of it are on the lighter tones, and 2 of it are on the reddish, like one is little brownish red and one is red in color. So these all of the 4 are from the brand Bella Voste, and this I found to be really affordable. It was something priced around 50 rupees, and the quantity also, if you see the quantity, I don't know whether it is written here, but the bottle seems to be really large. Yes, 9 ml. So it is not even a small size nail paint that you are getting at 50 rupees. It is 9 ml of nail paint that I have got for 50 rupees, which I found to be very affordable, because the quality, you can see the the nail paint that I have already applied. See the finish of it. It has both of the matte variation and the glossy variation. I got the glossy variation nail paints, and the purple one that I have already applied. You can see this has a very nice finish. And I have also washed utensils and done a lot of home chores after applying this nail paint, and it has not vanished even a bit, at least in the one day. And also this is just one coat of this nail paint. This nail paint is just one coat of it. Its finish is really nice. The band of it is really good. So yeah, that's all the products that I have got. I have got a mask, and I have got an aloe vera gel, 4 nail paints and a shampoo, and all of it was individually below 150 rupees, and all the products together was below 500 rupees. So yeah, that's all about my purple haul today. Hope it was useful for people who always look out for affordable and good products. So I'll also give you the reviews of the products that I have purchased in this haul video, maybe when I start using it and after some days of using it. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. Hope you liked it and hope you enjoyed it, and hope you found it informative as well. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So bye bye, take care, stay tuned on my next upload.